Hello everyone. Welcome to our presentation, Construction Waste Management. My name is Yasmeen Saleh.
And my name is Afra.
The construction industry has boomed in the past few decades and became one of the world's most fastest growing sector, which led to increased construction waste. The United Arab Emirates is considered one of the largest waste producer in the Middle East, specifically in construction waste.
In this research, we have set out four main objectives. First is to identify major environmental issues within the construction site. Second is to promote sustainable waste management. Third is to promote the usage of sustainable construction material. And the last point is to suggest some innovative solution for the construction waste generated. To gather and measure the required information on the main environmental problems caused by the construction projects, we have used two primary data collection methods: questionnaire and observations. This project is conducted on a construction site located in the Jumeirah area in Dubai. The selected project is a 3 mid-rise residential building. The purpose of the visit was to carry out an initial assessment of the relevant environmental issues being caused by the construction activities.
Let's discuss now some of the observations that we have collected during the site visit. You may see that storage of new materials on site is not properly organized. In addition, safety measures are not considered, which might create damage to stored material, which leads to waste generation.
Another observation is that there was no dampers for hazardous waste. Some items, such as empty paint boxes, have been left on site without taking safety into consideration. Some of those materials might be flammable and cause accident on site.
Huge amount of waste are being generated from different sources: food, wood, paper, plastic, concrete, and paint. Food is considered as organic waste, which is mixed with different waste materials in one damper and creates a bad smell which attracts insects and animals. Waste areas have been defined for some waste categories like wood, plastic, and metal. However, it was observed that waste segregation is not fully implemented, and waste is found to be mixed in undefined waste areas. Also, there was no proper signages directing to the waste collection areas. In addition, the language of the current signs in English only, and most of the labor does not understand the language, which might cause confusion.
The use of unskilled and unlicensed labor will create issues in damaging items during the construction project.
After conducting the site observations, many solutions are proposed which will lead to better waste management practices, such as preparing an integrated waste management plan or engaging all relevant stakeholders into the construction waste management practices. But we thought of having an innovative solution that could solve many problems at one time.
Smart waste bins are proposed as an efficient solution to be implemented in project sites. The proposed smart bins are equipped with sensor technologies that can measure how full the bins are in real time, which can ensure timely waste collection.
Questionnaires are used as a primary data collection method to collect data from the primary stakeholders of construction waste. We identified our main stakeholders as clients, contractors, public, and the government bodies. We started our questionnaires by assessing the awareness of our stakeholders on the environmental issues associated with construction waste. 83% said they are fully aware of the environmental issues of construction waste. So, what are the environmental problems associated with construction waste in our stakeholders' opinions? Most of them answered dust generation from the construction material and the use of heavy equipment. Others said air pollution, climate change, soil and water contamination. Then we asked, isn't implementing an integrated waste management plan will help reduce construction waste generation? 61 stakeholders said yes, and they are enforcing this into their construction projects. But surprisingly, 75% of contractors said they are already have a developed plan in place and they are applying it to construction sites. We asked the stakeholders, are they interested in using a new technology to help them in waste management planning, that is, smart waste bins? 84% said they are interested in the technology and would like to know more about it. The benefits of using smart waste bins are clear, but we wanted to assess the barriers in implementing such a technology. The main two issues in implementing such technology is high cost of implementation and maintenance and the lack of trained staff to use that technology. Every research and project has its limitations. Our project limitations were that 62% of people who started the questionnaires have only completed till the end. Also, we have a limitation of the dishonesty of responses by some of the stakeholders, which cannot be controlled. Based on the analysis done on the data collected from site observations and the questionnaires, we recommend the following. Clients and contractors shall collaborate to develop an integrated waste management plan for the project. The initial cost of utilizing smart waste bins might be high compared to the traditional waste management practices. However, stakeholders are encouraged to invest in such technology that will lead to eliminating, reducing, and proper handling of waste generation. That was it. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Please don't hesitate to ask us anything.